Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can extend your Zoom meetings time. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to extend your Zoom meetings time, firstly open your Zoom application. You will arrive on the home page of Zoom. Click on Schedule option on the top right side of the screen. Name your Zoom meeting. Enter your date and time of meeting and repeat it for every week or any of the other appropriate option. Turn on all the meeting options by sliding it to the right side and then tap on Done. Your meeting has now been scheduled for 9 to 9:30. Now, to extend your Zoom meeting, open your Zoom application once again and repeat the same process. Click on the schedule, name the meeting and enter the date. Now, start another meeting from 9:30 and end it to 10. Turn on all the meeting options and then click on Done. This is how you can extend your Zoom meetings time quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.